What is in here? Are these supposed to be feathers or are these organs? If they're organs, they're really gross. How? Oh. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a Dinosaur Channel. Welcome to your home on the internet for all things dinosaur and prehistoric. I realize my camera angle is way too high, but first of all, I want to tell you guys that today we're going to be reviewing some amazing Dominion goodies. We've got some Snap Squad, new little Snap Squad. I guess these are called wild pop-ups now. And then we got Goo Jit. So excited. So let's hop into the review. As well, you can become a member on this channel, join, and unlock cool icons and emojis you can use when interacting with our channel. Nothing is more fun to me in this pre-Dominion time, which I am recording this before Jurassic World Dominion goes live, than reviewing these fun little dinosaur toys. So first of all, I want to open up with, starting with this guy. I bought this guy before Dominion toys started popping up. So this is the Goo Jit, but this is Velociraptor Echo. So they do have the entire Raptor squad. And unfortunately, out of all the toys and models that have come out for Jurassic World, this is the only semi-accurate, like, I would say this is the most accurate, and that's not that accurate, but like the most accurate color scheme-wise model or dinosaur toy we have of Echo the Velociraptor. I'm really hoping that with the Hammond collection, they do some justice to Echo and give us a nice Echo from Jurassic World, because my favorite Raptor from the Raptor squad is Echo, and I really do love her, and it's so sad and unfortunate that we don't have a nice one, but I do like the fact that I have a little baby Echo here. So she's just gonna sit right here on the side of the table, and hopefully she's not going to fall off. The nice thing with these Goo Jit ones is that you could actually kind of like force them to stay in certain positions, but they don't really like staying. She's going to fall. Let's just put her right there. Don't fall over. She's going to fall over. Don't fall over. She's going to fall over. Don't fall over. She doesn't care. Alright, let's get into the review. So we'll keep these little Snap Squad copies off to the side for now. Let's jump into the Pyroraptor Goojitsu. As of right now, this is May 2022. We don't have any Pyroraptor figures in the public that I know of other than the 12-inch figure that has not been around in South Florida. I have not been able to find it. I know some people have been able to find it. I have not. Packaging wise, there we go. That's our front. You got a cool model of the Goo Jit Pyroraptor you can see. On the back shows you some of the other Goo Jit models. It's going to be very hard not to say Jujitsu. And I am a Jew, by the way, so it makes it a lot harder not to say Jew all the time. But this is the Goo Jit model. We've got this little try me area where you can try the squish. Really, really cool. Actually, the action shot here of the kid pulling the Pyroraptor is very cool. And what I don't really like is the fact that it's clear and you can kind of like see organs inside of there. A little gross. Grossing me out a little bit. Like, I don't really understand what's in here, because with this one I assumed it was like sand, but now I'm kind of confused of like, if you cut this thing open, is there actually goo in here? I don't know. Anyways, let's package this. Let's unpack this. So yeah, I really do like the packaging here. And actually, this one I see has a Chomp Attack. The other ones that you can get are the Giganotosaurus and the Pyroraptor, the T-Rex, and Blue. That are in this line. So let's open her up and try to keep this packaging intact. Try to use a handy dandy knife and not jujitsu up our jujitsu too much. I'm just speaking absolute gibberish right now. Oh no, this is impossible. Alright, I feel like every time I say I want to save the plastic or the carton, it just like gets even more destroyed than like feasibly possible. Alright, screw it. I can't say it. I'll just buy another one if I want one. There we go. Pyroraptor. This is freaking awesome. This is so cool. This has got to be one of the coolest children's toys I've ever seen in my life. What is in here? Are these supposed to be feathers or are these organs? If they're organs, they're really gross. But I kind of think they're like feathers or something on the inside. Regardless, we do have this action feature chomping. That's very cool. The head is absolutely adorable. In love with this thing. The stretchiness, look at that. How much you can stretch it. I really haven't tried to stretch my Echo one at all. The arms are disgusting. They're so gross. They're like little pliable gummy worms. So strange, but yeah, he is stuck in a little bit of a model with these little chunky legs of like head sort of turning to the side. Oh, you can twist the head around completely. That's cool. I don't think you could do that with the Echo one, or maybe you can. But maybe mine needs like WD-40. But yeah, that's the so you can actually twist the head all the way around because you can model it up. But these things don't really stand. Yeah, they can't really stand. They're just, yeah, it's just goo. They're not going to stand anywhere. But yeah, you can see how much they stretch. Goo Jitsu right there. Yeah, oh, look, I'm opening that, revealing that for you right now. Those are feathers. Those are feathers for sure in there. Those are little blue feathers. Very strange and disgusting. Ew. This is kind of like a Jurassic stress ball. You know, if you have like problems with your hand or like anxiety and you just need a stress ball, you just grab a little dinosaur and just go. I gotta say though, I like the concept of these. I think I would much prefer them as like a stuffed animal rather than a little ball of goo, but I'll accept it for what it is because I am an adult and these are made for children. And I keep saying that in every review, but there you go. Those are two Goo Jitsu. I hope mine doesn't have a tear back here, does it? No, it doesn't have a tear in the back portion, in the hind quarter. Really, really cool. I do like these very much. So those are my two Goo Jitsus. Let's hop into our two new Snap Squads. So we've got here two brand new Snap Squads. So again, these are not called Snap Squad, but they are now called, they hid the name, Wild Pop-Ups. Wild Pop-Ups from Jurassic World Dominion. If you're not familiar with what the Snap Squad is, probably like the best line of anything Mattel has released. These little hyper characterified Jurassic World characters from the, from the dinosaurs. Here we've got a Pyroraptor. You can see beautiful, beautiful model, beautiful colors, and they you can latch them on your fingers. Their little feet move around. I mentioned this in a video in the past, but I did carry around one of these, literally traveling around the world. The T-Rex, the original T-Rex. Pretty much, I took it to like 25 countries with me on my backpack. It was a nightmare to have it, but I loved it so much, and I like to represent my dinosaurs when I travel. So having a little Jurassic World T-Rex with me was fun. So let's open up this Carnotaurus. So this does look like potentially what will be the new model for the Carnotaurus in Jurassic World Dominion. So I'll bring out the Carnotaurus real quick. So here's the Jurassic World, I guess, Fallen Kingdom, or I think this is maybe even be the Camp Cretaceous one. This is sort of like the Toro Carnotaurus. So you can see there's sort of like that dark but also red coloration. This one almost kind of looks like they inverted the color scheme. Like it's gray and red on the back, and then you've got green eyes. Here we've got green eyes, mostly red, and then gray on the back. So instead of red on the back, it's gray. In this one, mouth is closed eternal. This one, this mouth is open eternally. Oh, so if you close it like that, does this mean the Snap Squad is discontinued? Is that what this means? Yeah, I don't know how I feel about this. So, I mean, okay, it's cool because it closes its eyes, and oh, so I guess these pop up. Let's see. Clearly I'm not a child. I never think of these things. What happens? What happens? What happens? Pops up. How? Oh. I don't get it. Is that it? I think I'd rather Snap Squad. I mean, I do like the way they stand. I do like the way they look. It is nice. It is a very nice, detailed model of a Carnotaurus, yeah? I think it might even be a little bit nicer than this guy. But I think I prefer the Snap Squad overall. But let's not. I just don't get the action feature so much. Is it like, hey, buddy, how you gonna pop up, dude? I don't get you. Is that it? You press on your back? Am I missing something? Alright, I don't know. Mattel, you're gonna make your decisions that you do. It is what it is. Love them. It's a dinosaur toy. I love it anyways. Alright, next up we've got the Dilophosaurus, which we know is gonna be playing a big part in the new movie. Well, I don't know if a big part. I don't know if I could say that. But playing a part for sure, and everyone is so excited. The fact that we're even getting more Dilophosaurus merchandise makes me a happy little dinosaur boy. And that's all I'm ever gonna be. This packaging really... very, very frustrating. I can only imagine they packaged it like this because probably people were stealing the Snap Squad toys in stores, and this was like the safest way to package it. Alright, there we go. Here's our Dilophosaurus Dino pop-up from Mattel, the follow-up to the Snap Squad. You can see very beautiful coloration. I love the frill, love the way it's looking there, love the colors, love the crest, beautiful coloration, love this color that they're giving for the Dilophosaurus in this movie. Very dark, very olive green. So there he is standing, as you can see. Let's see the pop-up feature. Okay. I really hope, and fix me, like, let me know if I'm doing this wrong. I hope I'm doing this wrong and that this isn't, because I feel like this is a disappointment. Like, even as an adult, I feel like I can project as a kid and say, no. I must be doing something wrong. This must not be it. Because that's just kind of like stupid, right? I'm not the only one who thinks that. Anyways, that being said, I love these guys. As dumb as I think the action feature is at the moment, because I'm probably doing it wrong, I do love the way they look. So that's our review for today. We got Jurassic World Dominion pop-ups, and we've got our Goo Jitsu, Echo, and the Pyroraptor. Look how beautiful the Pyroraptor is. I love it. Love these guys. Mwah, 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 mwah. Guys, thanks for watching so much. Another video here on the Dinosaur Channel. This is your home on the internet for all things dinosaur and prehistoric. Make sure that you subscribe and turn those notifications so there'll be a single video, because we're covering and talking about everything related to Jurassic World Dominion, Jurassic Park, Jurassic World, the entire franchise as a whole. We're covering it all for you, baby. As well, you can become a member on this channel. Join and unlock cool icons and emojis you can use when interacting with our channel. So don't miss a single episode, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.